Welcome to ConservifyNOW, the podcast where we explore the people, ideas, and actions shaping a sustainable future. I'm your host, asokumr, and today's episode is all about the power of community. From small towns to bustling cities, grassroots movements are proving that when people come together, they can create real, lasting change for our planet. Grassroots movements are the heartbeat of environmental action. They're driven by passion, creativity, and a shared belief that every action counts. In this episode, we'll meet inspiring individuals and communities who are rolling up their sleeves and taking matters into their own hands. First, let's head to our place, where Mr. Pandya, a local activist, started a movement to restore a polluted river. What began as a small group of concerned neighbors has grown into a citywide initiative, bringing together schools, businesses, and local government. We realized that if we didn't act, no one would. It started with just a few of us picking up trash. But now we've planted thousands of trees, installed filtration systems, and even brought back fish to the river. It's proof that when a community cares, they can move mountains. Stories like this remind us that change doesn't always start at the top. Sometimes it begins with one person's determination to make a difference. Grassroots movements have a ripple effect. Take urban gardening, for example. What starts as a single plot of land can grow into a network of gardens providing fresh food, reducing carbon footprints, and strengthening community bonds. We're not just growing food, we're growing connections. People who have never met before are now working side by side, learning from each other, and building something beautiful together. It's amazing how a simple idea can transform lives and landscapes. And the best part? Anyone can start something like this in their own neighborhood. Grassroots movements aren't just local, they're global. From reforestation projects in Brazil to plastic-free initiatives in India, communities around the world are tackling environmental challenges head-on. We may be thousands of miles apart, but we're all connected by the same goal, protecting our planet. When we share ideas and support each other, we become a force for good. These movements show us that no matter where we are, we're part of something bigger. And together, we can create a future where people and the planet thrive. So what can you do to be part of this wave of change? Start small. Join a local group, volunteer for a cleanup, or even plant a tree in your backyard. Remember, every action counts and every voice matters. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Conservify Now. If you're inspired by today's stories, share them with your friends and let's keep the momentum going. Together, we can harness the power of community to save the planet. Empowering change, one community at a time.